And just like that, 2022 is here, but we have to recap the monumental 2021 Threemanabroad has had. Now, you know I love my numbers, so here we go. 362,000 minutes you guys spent watching our videos every single Saturday.
With over 2,000 likes and over 1,200 subscribers.
93 comments and 35,000 views.
Now, aside from all the numbers, we also raced across UK.
Welcome guys to our very first video on our Threemanabroad YouTube channel. Okay, and I'm telling you now, it's gonna be a big one.
All these guys left me, man. They left me by myself.
My pain.
Why? I need to pee.
We visited Berlin in Germany.
And we're in the winning city of the race, Berlin.
That's what, for those who don't know, WC means water closet.
You're not you when you're hungry.
Vine didn't read the small print where it said you can't come in unless accompanied by a child. And unless you guys have not seen, I'm a grown man with a beard and I pay taxes.
Just gonna slide to here.
If you hadn't taken a picture with the random logo, you never really could have.
Yeah, what are you doing? Did you even comprehend, man?
So we crashed the drone into a £65,000 car. And it kind of went like this.
Yo!
We drove on the Autobahn for the first time.
Actually, driving.
We partnered up with a coffee connoisseur to show you the best coffee shops in London.
Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Coffee UK.
To me, coffee is coffee.
An idiot sandwich.
I decided to get a cortado, partially because I like saying cortado.
So after party, this place you can have coffee and buzz on the music.
We almost got cancelled on YouTube because of our dark jokes video.
What do you call an autistic kid with a gun?
Wow. No idea.
Special forces.
That is a good one.
Went to the best rooftops in London.
Perfect.
If you want to see a lug.
The ambiance.
He went from so you're getting a parking ticket tonight. Visited Athens in Greece.
Show you guys my very handsome face. There you go.
Oh, right, yeah, yo, I wouldn't mind. Svetlana Vadivelu. Rings, bro. Same thing.
Give us a like. The things that we do for a like, the things that we do for a subscriber, please. We showed you how bad our cooking skills were. Damn, I really need a bigger apron.
This is not even God, this is
me now know the high heat temperature. I'm just gonna turn the hob on.
I don't know what to do with the broccoli. I don't know if it's meant to be cooking like this. So please do not rinse me in the comment section.
You know what? I'm pretty impressed with myself. I don't think this is a bad attempt at making a ladoo.
We laughed at too many jokes, man.
Why are balloons so expensive?
Why are balloons so expensive?
Inflation.
All I see is Shaq, man. All I see is Shaq.
Carlos.
We showed you the most artistic side of London. We showed you guys the best shortcuts to take on the London Underground.
In my case, I won.
In my case, I won.
Alright, cool. No one's doing push-ups. We're both doing it.
We'll both do push-ups.
Go on then. Go on then, go on then.
And 1.5.
Shut up!
We tried the deadliest sauces in the world with a Hot Ones challenge.
And we're going to be doing our own little take on the Hot Ones challenge.
What name did you like to have before 1972?
I don't know if I should say this. Banana Republic.
What? The vibe sounds like you're just Japanese, bro.
My stomach is like an aquarium, fam. It's full of water, fam.
Yeah.
Yes! Are you mad, big man? Are you mad?
Fuck. Oh. Bruv. Fuck.
We ate a lot of food.
Then you know there's gonna be some banging food on view today. Oh, man's eyes roll.
I'm not crying, honestly, and it just melts as soon as you put it in your mouth. It just releases this euphoric feeling of just amazing. We even did a road trip through Croatia.
We made it! We made it! We're gonna go for thanks! Where we landing, boys?
If you face the mouth towards the camera, they can hear us speak. Oh yes, hello.
This Museum of Broken Relationships is all of Mo's journals from when Vi broke up with Mo back in 2018.
Uncle Mo, Uncle Vi, Uncle Shaq, we're in it today. And today we're doing a vlog of a bucket list goal that I've had for years, okay? We are in Plitvica Lakes National Park.
Love unconditionally, be yourself, stay happy, and I forgot the last one. Always be pure of heart. That was the last one.
I'm the heaviest. Shut up.
Let's go. Jesus Christ.
Oh shit! Jesus Christ! Are you okay?
Hi, Captain Vi driving the boat, yes?
3 seconds, it's not
Crowd, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! There we go. That's some more right there. And despite all these achievements in 2021, we are just getting started. So for those of you who've been rolling with us, a big, big thank you. And we've got big things coming in 2022. Keep watching. Threemanabroad out, and peace.